Hey guys, so if you're struggling with your download speeds on your PS5, the first one would be to power off the console completely and unplug it for 10 seconds and power it back on. Second would be to restart your router once the console's off. After that, if you're still having issues with your network settings, I would recommend connecting it to a wired LAN connection, as I've done here. This is the fastest connection you can get. It's got, there's no latency from the Wi-Fi or where your router is or anything like that. So the best thing to do is to test it as it is currently and then plug it in. I mean, it's only temporary, just to see it, or move it next to your router, or run buy a 10-meter cable off eBay, run it all the way down the stairs and plug it in and see if your downloads have improved. If they have significantly, then you know it's because of your Wi-Fi. Also, your Wi-Fi can be improved if you're using 5 gigahertz, but again, that's dependent on your router and other settings like that. What I would recommend as well is to make sure nothing else is downloading in your house. If you've got OneDrive or anything uploaded, make sure everything's turned off. Go around. I know it's a pretty daft thing to say, but it's happened to me before with OneDrive while it's uploading, and it's just totally killed my games and downloads. Also, make sure you close any open games. That can help. So, for example, this one, just close the game there. That'll stop any downloading in the background and should help. The last thing is to change your DNS settings. So to edit your DNS settings, you want to go to Network, go down to Settings, set up the internet connection, go down to Set up manually, use a LAN cable or Wi-Fi, but I'm using a LAN cable for this. Then you want to go into DNS settings here, and you want to go on manual. By default, it will use your router's DNS. So the first DNS we're going to try and use is Google's primary server. And then we're going to put in the secondary DNS, which is 8.8. And then you just got 2 4s at the end. So there you go, that's Google's DNS servers. We'll just press done. And just like that, process. So now you can see we're still connected to the internet, but we're using Google's DNS servers. So let's go ahead and test the network and see if it's improved at all. But I will put some different DNS servers that you can use down below with different settings. Google DNS is just one as an example to show you what to do. It might not improve your download speed, but it's worth trying. It might probably improve your ping. It might be more secure if you use different services. It might be more reliable than the one that you're currently using with your provider. My current one is Virgin, but they're the steps I would take to improve the speeds of your PS5. Let me know if any of these steps have worked. I'll be very interested to hear back. And hopefully this has helped you guys out. It's frustrating with slow download speeds. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or join the Discord and I'll happily answer you on there as well. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.